Hey, this will be a video chart on CWRN. Had a few questions on this one today, and I think it's been a while since the last time I did a video, so I wanted to just quickly do an update and kind of talk about it because the chart is at a very crucial area here, and it still is in the bull's hands, but kind of teetering on some dangerous, walking on thin ice. That's probably the best way to put it. So let's just dig in. The reason it is kind of walking on that thin ice is right now it's sitting right at two very important levels. The first one being just simply this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. If you're not familiar with charts, the 200-day and 50-day simple moving averages are what I like to call the godfather of the moving averages, meaning the majority of people use them and have them on their charts. So they're ones that everybody always has an eye on. And then the other key level where the price is sitting right around is this 2-cent mark. And why is this level important? It is a support, so let me first get this changed to green. But why is this area have some importance? Well, if we go back through the history of the chart, you can see here it acted as a resistance one more day here, and then when the price did get through it, you can see the big pop that went on these pullbacks. Great example of a resistance turning into a support. Once again, acted as support, came down here, acted as support once again, and once more acting as support. So hopefully you get what I'm trying to hint at there. Is this 2-cent level is a very important level of support, and then you combine that with the fact that the 50-day simple moving average is right here too. To be blunt, 2 cents is the area that needs to hold. Why is that the case? Well, if we go and look through the price history, because of this big move here, it kind of creates some gaps, if you will, within the support levels. And really, if this level can hold, there isn't any significant support levels until down here. Now, am I saying that if 2 cents hold, it's going to drop straight down there? That's not what I'm saying. But looking at the chart, there really isn't any other support levels until down here at this significant moving average. So, preferably, you definitely want to see 2 cents hold. But like I said, if it doesn't, by no means does that imply that in one day the price has to go down here or will go down here. I'm just pointing out that from the technical perspective, this is the next area of support. In terms of resistance levels, not going to talk too much about this because at this point in time, the key concern and key focus needs to be maintaining the 2-cent mark. But with any sort of bounce, just keep your eye on these two moving averages here. The blue line is a 10-day. This red line is a 20-day simple moving average. Those will be the first couple of resistances that you'll want to see the price get above and close above. But for the time being, maintaining of this level is important. Now, the one good thing that's going is, as it goes sideways here, it's not like volume is increasing or anything like that. It has been very low, and that's what you want to continue to see is low volume. Obviously, if it breaks down, you don't want to see anything like that. But if it were to bounce back up, then that's where you want to see volume get as big as possible. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your news subscription, you'll get chart setup, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety stuff for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money on our alerts together. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CWRN. Thanks for listening.